Alright, so welcome to this YouTube channel. This is strictly additional mathematics channel, and almost every day we'll be posting questions and solutions right here. So subscribe, like, and share the videos so that more and more people can join our YouTube channel. So our first video is our first question is from the 2017 ECZ Additional Mathematics. So the question reads, find the equation of the line through the points O 0, 0, which is perpendicular to the line passing through A 2, -4 and B 1, 3. So the most important thing that we should put into consideration is this. Okay, this is very important, and also the points. So this is the line. Okay, the line is like this. So let's say this is the 2, -4. Okay, and here B is 1, 3, and here there is a line which is perpendicular, and this line maybe is passing at 0, 0 here. This is point O somewhere. So this is perpendicular. So what it means perpendicular, it must form a 90 degrees. Okay. So the term perpendicular means where it's passing here, the gradient of this and the gradient of this line, this one, this and this, when you multiply them, they must give you -1. This is very important. So now let's try to do a little bit of some work. So we're going to find the gradient of this line, which is passing at A and B. So gradient, we know, we call this gradient 1. This is the formula to use when you want to find your gradient. This is the formula we're supposed to use. And between our coordinates, so this is the one which is here, and this is the one which is here. So we'll say this is the x sub 1, y sub 1, and the other one here we'll call it x sub 2 and y sub 2. So now since you have those, we can plug them in. Y sub 2 is 3 minus y sub 1 is -4. Okay, so we need to put the brackets because there is a negative and the formula has got a negative already. So here x sub 1 is 1, x sub 2 is 1 minus x sub 1 is 2. So now we can work out things here to give us 7 here, because negative and negative will be positive. 3 plus 4 will be equal to 7. So here it will be -1. When we say 1 minus 2 will be -1, such that our final answer will be equal to -7. So this is our gradient. So now this same gradient, we can now reciprocate it. So when we get to the gradient, this is the gradient of the line, which is this one, -7. This is the gradient. Now the gradient of this one, for us to know the gradient of this one, we call it M2. For us to know this gradient, we need to get this gradient, change the sign, it's positive, and reciprocate it. So it will be 1/7. Okay, this just apply a 1 on top and change the sign. If it is positive, put a negative here. If it's negative, put positive. So put positive here. So we have the new gradient we need to use, which is this one over here.